Dazzling Mirage. It's about sickle cell. It's a story on sickle cell. I like the story. I like the whole concept. I think it's going to help people living with sickle cell be able to take caution and maybe move on. I'm playing the role of Tade. Tade, he's like a research assistant to Saya, who happens to be one of the main cast in the film. And I think my role is a form of spice in the story.
Well, I can't get tired of saying it's going to be huge. The production headed by Tunde Kelani is undoubtedly, something that's going to be big. So I'm really excited because this is one of the movies as an actor you should add to your resume. So I'm really glad to be on this production. Well, the name of the character I'm playing is Sonya. He's a supporting lead. He's the supposed boyfriend to the sickle cell patient, but whether to love or not to love. So the movie is just about, it's a love story with a twist of information.
I'm playing Fumi's mother. Fumi is the young woman who has sickle cell. So I'm playing her mother. Like any TK's movie, expect to see, real things, believable acting, and the crop of artists that he's got together. Expect to see the best.
Well, I expect to see the best. From the stables of Tunde Kelani, you never get it less than the best. And apart from that, this is not the story. It's not only to entertain, but it's also to educate, to instruct, and comment on the ills of the society. So I think it's going to be a very fantastic piece. I know it's a fantastic piece already because excellence plus the storyline is just super.